Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss problem D, that is districts connection from division 3 round 677. So I hope you have already read problem statement. So let's see what actually saying. So there are n districts in a town and ith district belongs to ith gang, and initially no districts are connected to each other. So we are actually given n nodes and we have to connect those nodes in such a way that there is exactly n minus 1 edges, and we can connect two districts directly or via another district. So but we cannot connect two districts belonging to same gang directly. So if two districts are from same gang, then we cannot connect that those two districts directly. And if it's not possible to connect all those districts, then we have to print -1 or no, else we have to print all those connections or all those edges. So there are t test cases, and n can be as well as 5 into 10 power 3, and sum of n is up to 5000. So let's see this using an example. So let's take 6 districts, like, and these are the index of those districts, and now let's take gangs which ith districts belongs to. So let's take this as 1, again 1, 2, 2 and 2. So these are the gangs, and we have to connect all those 6 districts in such a way that no two districts are directly connected, such that both two districts are from same gang. So these two cannot connect directly, for example, and similarly these two cannot not connect directly. So we have to take care of this case, and the rest of the problem is quite easy. So and also we have to make exactly n minus 1 edges, so there cannot be any cycle in our graph. So let's see how I can do this. Let's connect all those edges first. So we will connect 1 to 4, since up to 3 it's from same district, same gang. So we'll connect 1 to 4. Also we can connect 1 to 5, since obviously these are from another gang. So again we can connect 1 to 5, and also we can connect 1 to 6. And since these 4 are already connected and these 2 are left, so and we cannot connect these from these 2 and these all. So we'll connect one of these to these, since obviously these are not equal to these. So we'll connect 4 to 3, 4 to 2. So these are n minus 1 edges, you can see, and the graph will look like this. 1 is connected to 6, 1 is connected to 5, 1 is connected to 4, and 4 is connected to 3, 4 is connected to 2, and these forms a tree. And you can see no two edges are connected such that they belongs to same gang. This is 1 and 2 and both are connected. This is again 1 and 2, this is again 1 and 2, this is 2 1 and 2 1. And so you can see this, there is n minus 1 edges. And again let's take another test case, that is 1 1, and let's take all those elements equal to each other. So in this case we cannot connect any two nodes such that they belongs to another gangs, and this is quite obvious. So and also this is the only case when our answer will be no. So we can see that even, and we can prove this by taking an example. Just take this as 2. So again we can connect 3 to 1 and 3 to 2. So the only case when our answer will be 1 is when all the elements or all the nodes belong to same gang. So like in this case, then our answer will be no. So let's see this in our code, how we can implement that. A fun fact about this problem is I submitted this just few seconds before the contest was ending and got wrong answer on test case 1, and that was because of an extra else condition, and then I debugged it and got accepted after 1 minute or 2 minutes. So let's see this. Initially I am taking t test cases and number of nodes, and I am taking a map. We can also take set for printing no, since only case when we have to print no is when all the elements are equal. So if d dot size is 1, then we'll print no, else we'll print yes, and initially we will take k equals to a of 1, and we will take another variable temp to keep index of a node which is not equals to a of 1. So, and again we'll iterate over the array from 2 to n, and if ai not equals to k, that is obviously we'll check if a is not equals to a1, then we'll print 1 to I, that is this is the right edge, and we'll update temp to I such that we can print all those nodes which are left, and that is equals to a1. So again I will iterate over the array from 2 to n and check if ai is equals to k, then we will print temp and I, and that's all. This is it for this problem, and for any doubt you can comment down below, and thanks for watching.